Hello, welcome to my art studio, and I thought it would be cool to vlog today because I'm going to be finishing off this commission that I've been working on for weeks and weeks, and I thought it'd be cool to show you the progress because in the last vlog that I did, which you can go and watch here or here, I'm not sure which corner, there'll be a corner where you can click the link and go and watch the first part of this painting all come together. And yeah, today I'm going to be finishing it off and I'm super excited. The client's really happy with it so far and it'll just be really nice to get it finished. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. But before I do that, I just wanted to let you know I've created some bonus content. So if you are a beginner artist, you might find this really inspiring that I've created a free video that you can go and watch. The link is in the description box. And I'm going to be talking about some lies that we are told as artists. And it might be a lie that has been really holding you back personally in your art journey. So I really think if you're a beginner artist that you will find this super inspiring and hopefully, yeah, it will create change in your art journey for the better. So go and check the link in the description box, sign up for the video, and I'll send you an email with the video inside. So I hope that you enjoy it. And yeah, so now I'm just going to make a plan and see what we need to do today. So I've got my paints ready and I'm about to finish this commission, and I thought I'd show you some close-ups because it looks quite different to the stage we were at in the last video. I've added a lot more detail to all the flowers, and so I'll show you some close-ups. So I feel like the main bulk of the painting is done, but I just want to add a few refinements. So just around the edges, just kind of complete that a little bit more. I still want that, not abstract edge, but that kind of like impressionistic feel, like it's almost like part of a dream, a dreamy atmosphere. So I still want to keep that with some of the brush strokes being quite abstract, but there's just a few areas, especially down here, that I just really want to refine and just bring that like completed element to. So that's what I'm going to be working on now. So I think the painting is finally finished and I am so happy with it. I think it's probably my favourite ever painting that I've ever done. And so I'm just so happy to be able to bring someone's bridal bouquet into a painting form that they can keep forever. Yeah, and it just makes me so happy that I get to do this as a job. It's so awesome. So I hope that you guys really like it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Feel like it really encapsulates happiness. So I'm gonna send some photos to the client now and hopefully she loves it too. So there we go, the painting is now finished. I'm so happy with how it came together. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget, if you're a beginner artist and you feel like your work has maybe plateaued and you'd really like to see some improvement, I've made a bonus video all about the lies that we are told as artists that can really hold us back. So go and check out the link in the description box for that bonus content, pop your email in and I'll send you an email with a link to the video. So I hope that you enjoy that and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!